Hello, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. I have planned for the month of July, of course, today the 6th up until Sunday the 12th. It is zone 3 today because I follow the Fly Lady cleaning zone method, and I do have a little compulsory cleaning method of my own that I follow each week as well. I'll go through that in a little bit, but hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done, it is hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all the things that I've got to do, but I also find some time to have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't stress if I can't get everything done all at once. I would spread it over time, such as days, weeks and even months. And I don't forget to take some time out for myself. I have hobbies that I really enjoy, relaxations that I really enjoy, and just things that I like doing. I incorporate them into my life so that I know that I'm getting some self-care, exercise and fun. I normally swim, but that's on hold at the moment. I do follow a nice dance routine that I'm really enjoying. I love dancing. I love listening to music as well. I listen to audio books. I take a nap if I have to. I paint my nails on the odd occasion when I want to, but I do go to the salon for a regular pedicure. And I'd just like to say, just don't stress out with things that you've got to do. Sometimes, because we stress, nothing gets done. But this way, at least I've done a few things, and it's better than doing nothing at all. So let's start off with my my Monday. Normally on a Monday, I used to have a compulsory of my own chores that I get done, but I've changed it now. So what I do is Monday, Wednesday and Friday, that's usual, I wash and dry, and Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I fold and pack away the clothes that I've washed the previous day. I used to do all the beds, the bathroom, the toilet and the kitchen, the bleaching on a Monday. I've changed it now that I'm going to be doing all my cooking, my food prep and my cooking, and I have compiled a food diary as well. I am working on my under the stairs toilet that needs a revamp, so I've been working on that. I talk about that a bit more, and I do my budget on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So it's zone 3 now this week. It's cleaning all the shoe areas, the skirting boards, the shoe cupboard, the linen cupboard, my trones, the bookshelf. I'll wipe down everything and dust, and I'm mopping and hoovering, and I'm filing, doing my filing, and I'm trimming Archie. So that's going to be done in zone 3 this week. I've incorporated mopping and hoovering every zone, so that's every week. I'll be mopping and hoovering, because I had forgotten to list that, even though I do it, and I'm saying, okay, so I haven't listed it in my zone, so I must list it. So yes, every week it's mop and hoover. There is one week that I hoover all the small spaces, like in between the bedside tables and in between the chest of drawers, in between the radiator, where you don't get to every day. That week that I'm going to do the small spaces, I will still be hoovering that week as well. Every day I walk Archie twice a day, and I do 8 laps every day as well, Monday to Saturday. On a Sunday I do 4 laps because I have church, and when I come home I'm tired usually. So that's what I do every week. Sometimes I don't get through my laps, I have to admit, but I do what I can. That's all that matters to me. I do what I can. And I've been very naughty with my eating pattern as well. That's why I have got the magnifying glass here, because I'm zoning in with my magnifying glass because I have to start behaving with my eating. I've put back on 1 pound. I did lose 4 pounds and I've put back on 1 pound, so I need to get that off. That's why I've got my fruit to remind me in my bowl of goodies there, and lots of fluids as well. My teapot and my cup and saucer there with lots of fluids, particularly water. And especially in the hot weather now, I've definitely got to keep hydrated. I've also incorporated a foot soak every day. I've put it in every day, but it doesn't mean I'm going to have one every day. I usually have it on a Wednesday and a Sunday, but now sometimes if I'm standing on my feet too long or I've been out and I've been walking, I must have a foot soak when I get in. So I've just put it here every day just for a reminder, but it doesn't mean that I'm actually going to do it every day, just depending how my feet are feeling. But it's guaranteed on a Wednesday and Sunday I will do it. And I most probably just do it every other day. Like yesterday I did my foot soak Sunday, and today's Monday, so I may not do it, but just depends, because I'm getting back onto my DIY today, and I'll be doing standing up a lot, doing the cooking and the meal preps, so I may fancy a foot soak later on. But it's just a reminder. When I look at my planner, I can say, oh yeah, I fancy a foot soak today, I can have one. So, you know, I'll just allocate 15 or 20 minutes to do that. Thursday it's movie night, and Saturday it's crafting all day because there's no knitting and crochet class, so I will be doing crafting. Have to do my crafting, and I most probably do some more DIYs as well, because I really want to get this renovation out of the way. It's more than I thought, but it's always the way. And the time consuming bit about it is the prepping, all the prep work that has to be done. I did say Thursday's movie night, didn't I? Yes. And church on Sunday, and everything is subject to change, because I do omit or add things as I go along throughout the days or the week. I do that just to help me to stay focused and organized. If I didn't have my planning, I'd be all over the place. This really keeps me grounded, and it's evident of the progress that I have made throughout the weeks with my planning, and the productivity. It has really been good to me. If you are interested in, you know, jumping on board the hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done, it is free and it's an open collaboration for all to join in. All you have to do is just plan out your weeks in your planners, your diary, your notebook, whatever you want to use, and then you just upload it to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. And also, if you'd like to tag me, it's at Crafty Girl Chronicles. I would really appreciate it. But without my planning, I'll be all over the place. So that's it for this week. Let me see if I've forgotten anything. No, I don't think so. I haven't forgotten anything. I used these washi tapes, and I used this trim. Isn't it so sweet? Just getting to use up all my bits and bobs. And these washi tapes, I think they're so lovely. So that's what I used. And yes, my Pinterest images, love those. I really appreciate those Pinterest images. I really do. If there's anything that you'd like to ask me about my planning, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And that's it for this week. Have yourself a blessed week as we begin to do our chores, getting productive, getting things done, and still finding time to have some fun as well with our crafting and our bits and bobs. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back very, very soon. Bye for now.